Hello everyone, this is Isabel with Creative Escape Paint Parties, and
I'm Sophia.
today we're going to be showing you some new designs that we are releasing for our art kits. These are kids art kits that we are putting together, and Sophia is going to walk you through what's in an art kit as soon as I show you the beautiful paintings that we've been working on all day. Ready? Want to show some of these?
Yep.
Here, let's split them up.
Yeah, wait, I want to show them Marvel Turner.
All right,
This is the one that I did.
turn it around. So this design here is a beautiful sea turtle,
Yep.
and it's got this Hawaiian kind of vibe to it. And of course, your kit will include several colors, and you can customize whatever colors you'd like to use on your turtle. Maybe even a little glitter in there too. We'll include some glitter. So that's one. This is our sea turtle. Next we have this awesome ferocious shark. And there he is, grinning, showing off all his teeth and his pirate patch. And so again, you'll get all the colors are included in the kit. And you can, child can mix in different blends and colors if you want to customize and use different colors. Next we have,
A butterfly.
tell us about the butterfly.
Well, my mama drew this. Painted it, and she kind of put beautiful blackness around here and green. I
Yeah.
like the yellow here.
Right, so this is another way to do background. I just basically used like a plastic knife, and you just kind of smear different colors, yellow, green, black. Hi Esther, you like the shark? Yeah, sharks are pretty popular, especially with the boys. And this one here, it's got so many different pretty details and colors, and they come pre-sketched, so all you have to do is just paint them.
And we also have this one. It's a Sparkle, sorry. And it's a unicorn with beautiful rainbow hair. And it has this little horn that's very sparkly.
Let's put it closer.
Really, mostly everything's sparkly.
Yeah, we put a lot of glitter on this, so I'm not sure if it shows through, but
I like this one. Do you guys do?
I think they do. I think unicorns are pretty popular.
Well, some boys don't like them.
I don't know, maybe. But this one here I painted in a nice, like a minty color. I don't know if the lighting is, maybe from far away you can see it better. And I just freehanded up here sparkle, but you don't have to write that. You could write whatever message you like to put on this one. Next we have, which one do you want to show them? All right.
Next we have this froggy. There's one froggy leaping, the other one's just sitting and watching the froggy leap. And yeah.
No, I'm not sure. Is it a frog or a toad? Can you tell?
I think this one is a leaping frog and that one's a toad.
Probably. So they're sitting on some lily pads, and here we go. Here we have a little water lily up here. And again, it'll be pre-sketched and ready to paint. We have one more.
He's got like mermaids. I like mermaids. Do you, Mama?
I do like mermaids. But I especially like the tail. Let's put it close up. This one took a little while to paint, so I'd say probably your kid will be entertained for maybe a couple hours. Which could be a good thing. So look at all the nice shimmer colors on here. We got some wave action over here. This is a little blob of paint we got on there, but it kind of looks like a little fish in there, so we'll just pretend that's a fish. But
Really, it's mermaids.
yes, Ricardo, this would be a great Mother's Day gift to keep the kids entertained for Mom. Absolutely. So these are available for local pickup. We'll be doing local pickup this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. One of the places will be the Starbucks here in Spring Hill. So if you're interested in ordering any of these kits, send me a message. We have them in 3 sizes. 8x10 kit is $12. Then we have a 9x12 for $13, and 11x14 is going to be $15. And we're going to show you what all is in this kit that you will get. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So first, it's a shark.
Right. So depending on which one you choose, it'll be pre-sketched.
Mm-hmm. This one's a big one.
What else?
A big, huge picture. It may look tiny, but really, if you unfold it, it's really big.
So what this is to protect your surface. We're including this large disposable piece that you can put on there so that you don't get paint like we do on our table. Next, what else is in there?
This is my favorite part. A Creative Escape paint party.
Okay, we're including our flyer in there with information.
Yeah.
What else do we have?
We also have.
What are you doing?
And we also have this
A napkin.
napkin.
And
And we also have this a cup, for water, and then we also have a yellow, nice plate to maybe put your pizza in.
and it might not be yellow. It's whatever color we have at the time.
And speaking of paints.
Yes, so we have paints in these little containers.
So then these are the colors you need to paint the shirt. But really, you can paint anything you want. You can paint blue, black, something.
Yep. What else we have in there?
We'll also have some paintbrushes.
Good. So we have a sponge brush to help paint the background. And
Anyone?
yes, one for details, one for edging. And that's all we have. Oh, one more thing. Little popsicle stick to help mix and blend your paints.
Yeah.
And that's all you get in your art kit. So remember, we have 3 sizes, 8x10, 9x12, and 11x14. And there. What else?
Yeah, I was going to say something at the end.
What? It's almost the end. Okay, well, thank you for joining us, and I hope that you will take advantage of these art kits. Keep your kids busy and painting. Message me if you would like some, and Sophia wants to close the session with.
Bye, guys. And I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you liked it.
Oh, yeah, subscribe because we do have a YouTube channel. Creative Escape Paint Parties on YouTube.
And we are going live here.
Yes, this is live. Goodbye. Have a good night. Thank you for watching.
Bye.